What's going on, guys? It's Braden back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Novation Launch Key 25. It's basically just a MIDI controller, so you can do drum beats. It has a keyboard that you can do piano and any instrument you basically want. You can record things and put loose. It's really cool, and like I said in my previous video, I'm going to be gearing this channel towards music and technology combined, so this is starting to go into it. It's a piece of tech that also helps me with my music. So yeah, let's just get right into it. We're going to be using our knife that I used to murder my sister. Wait, what? Okay, so this knife, okay, let's just cut it. Okay. Satisfying. Wait, how does, oh, okay. Can you see me? Hi. Okay. Okay, so I'll just get it out and then show you. So first, it comes with the cable. Yay, interesting. Cables. Okay. Okay, so this is the Novation Launch Key 25. Okay, so let's get this out. Okay. There. Okay, so this is the launch key. So it has 25 keys in it, hence the name Launch Key 25. Then it has 16 pads up here and knobs, and you can basically control all your little juicy stuff and musical stuff. So I'll set this like right here. So this is basically the desk and the setup that I'm going to be filming my videos and making music. I forgot to mention earlier in this video, but we are back my previous set, one of my original ones, instead of the one with the white background, because this one's a bit more interesting. Let me just take this out of here. So that's basically all that comes in the box of the Launch Key 25. It's just the launch key itself, the cable. As you can see, it has 8 knobs on the top. You probably can't see. I'll move this forward. So it has 8 knobs on the top right here where my fingers are, and these are basically, they control your volume, and you can map them depending on what DAW you use, your digital audio workstation. You can map them to different things. So this works best with Ableton Live 10, and it comes with the light version, so you don't have to pay and download that. And it also works really good with Logic Pro. You just need to download another driver, which you can get on Novation's website. But if you have Ableton Live, then these will automatically be mapped to control volume for your tracks. And then you have your 25 keys, like I said, to play piano and whatever instrument. Ableton Live comes with a ton of instruments already in there so that you can choose from them, so you don't have to pay for extra presets and stuff like that. Then you have your 16 pads here, and it has a cool shift button to where if you shift it, you can choose session or drum. I like the drum option because then you can choose different drum kits and make really custom cool beats, and I'll show you that in a bit. And another really cool feature is you can, if you hold down this button labeled fixed chord, you can play 3 notes of a chord, and then once you let it go, any note, if it's a minor chord, any note you hit, it'll play the minor chord. If you play a major chord, any note you hit, it will play the major chord for that note. So it's really cool, and it also has pitch and modulation wheels on this device, and you can record and make loops right on here. So you don't necessarily need a ton of stuff. Like if you're not making any music with vocals, all you really need is a computer, Ableton Live, and this to make really cool music. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more videos on the Novation Launch Key 25, just comment down below and I'll be sure to create those. But yeah guys, don't forget to smash that like button as hard as you can. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, comment down below what content you'd like to see me do. That really helps me a lot. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye!